Hello guys.
We're ready for this.
So
All of you?
ito nga pala yung ginagawa ko para magkaroon ng realistic yung Minecraft ko. Wait lang. Ito guys, isearch nyo lang yung add-ons. Tapos isearch nyo Mizunos 16craft. Ay wait lang. Ano yan? Yan. Bat house.
Here we are.
Kung gusto nyo, isearch nyo kahit ano, gusto nyo house o kahit ano, isearch nyo dito. Ito Mizunos 16 craft. Ayan, i-search nyo. And wait, ayan, tapos na guys yung ads. Mizuno craft, ito pindutin nyo lang yan. And ayan, grabe, tingnan nyo ang cute. Oh, yan,
Dami-dami sa labas, moy-moy!
continue. Sa may craft arena tayo.
Lalaban first light natin.
Continue nga. Ayan. Ayan. Yan lang guys. Hintay-hintay. Yan. Sa may craft arena na tayo.
You okay?
You just walked by. We were out. They were heading.
Ayan. So, mag-recreate lang kayo ng world.
Natalie and Bob.
Tapos,
They
pangalan
had
niyo.
5 kids and 12 grandkids.
Ate.
And it's been a long time since anyone around here has seen them.
Ba't ate?
She's gonna have to put up with some cheeks.
Thanks. I just
Boom.
It's okay.
Survival creative. Kung gusto nyo normal, easy, peaceful, hard. Basta kahit ano.
I'm sorry.
Kung gusto nyo yung flat tayo guys, flat. Pindutin nyo tong add-ons. And
It's an apple.
Mizuno ka.
I mean, it,
Ano nyo.
it will be, and they just can't get the eyes
Check.
right.
Right. Yeah.
Get a good look at it.
And wait lang, ano tong multiplayer. Iwan. And
Hey, Rick. Would it be okay if Carl came over now? Probably not.
siguro okay na to guys.
By any time. You go to school? It's in a garage.
Tingnan
Little kids
natin
go in the
yung
morning
this,
and
no
stuff, so you have
arrows,
to
no
leave.
found.
I mean, probably you too.
Ba't go back.
Ano, sobrang ganda naman ng ano nila.
Ito, create na natin. Saving world.
Mikey's
Second,
getting
wait, close to English level 16 for
He needs
and
to read outside too.
blocks.
Just kidding. And also go.
Look and choose actors to store.
Is this yours?
Hintay.
Sorry.
Yan guys, so ganyan
We didn't know
yung
you guys
itsura
got
niya.
that house. We
And,
mostly just hang out there and listen to music. That's Eden's.
adi, bagal. Loading guys, loading.
When I play some video
Loading.
games, or Mikey's
Ayun.
house is a pool table, but his dad's kind of strict about it. So
Create
it's okay.
world
He's
loading. Let's go. Ito na guys. Ito yung pala yung itsura. Tas meron ng pa-voice pa dyan. Ay chat. Tas ayun, ganyan. Ang pangalan ko pala Alex dyan.
Strong.
And
We can just hang
tingnan
out.
nyo may mga bagong blocks. Tas tingnan nyo guys yung pintuan. Tapos yung pang-lock na ito. Uy, ayun o. Ang ganda guys. Pati mga, meron pang mga iba oh. Tas tingnan nyo itong pintuan.
So,
Itong pintuan. Ay, wait lang, nabato ko. Itong pintuan. Wait lang, saan na ba yun? Itong pintuan.
this is gonna place my normally first.
Itong pintuan.
Sorry.
Gantong pintuan. Gantong pintuan. And iron door. Ay, ganyan pala yung iron door nila. Tapos ito. Ganyan, ang gaganda niyan guys. Check nyo na lang. Tingnan nyo na lang guys. Tapos ito, iron bars.
I was wrong.
Tapos ito, slime. Ito, honey.
What do you think of this place?
Ito yung purple blocks,
Thank you. See.
concrete. Ayan. Nadami pang iba dyan. Ayan guys, oh. Diamonds, tas block of gold. Tas tingnan nyo tong bookshelf, tas guys, bookshelf. Tas itong barrel, tas itong chest. Tas itong mga hacking box. Yan na. Ang cute. Tas ito. Basta, i-check nyo na lang yan lahat. So, gagawa tayo dito ng bahay. Ito yung diamond. Ito yung ender portal. Tas ayun, maps, basta. Ito yung vision, bell, contour, stone cutter. Ito, ender portal, coal, ito, coal, ito, diamond, ito, iron. Tas, ganyan pa rin yung itsura. Pero ito, copper, ingot. Tas, tingnan nyo yung mga iba dyan. Tas, tingnan nyo yung emerald. Tas, tingnan nyo yung TNT dito, guys. Wait lang. So, ito yung redstone block. Ganito yung TNT, guys, oh. Tas, itong flint and steel. Tingnan kaya natin kung paano sumabog tong TNT. Oh my god, patong mapoy. Oops. Booms. Wow, ay wait lang. Ba yan? Ay guys, yun lang.